Hi there, I have some recommendations for your 4-year-olds out there. So, one that is fun, my little guy loved these books when he was littler. This is 199 animals. We have things that go as well. So it's just listing, seriously, animals and things that go. And we also have some in this series that are 1,000 animals, 1,000 things to go that go, and even 1,000 things to eat. My son loved these, especially the things that go. It was sort of mind-boggling, but he would just go through and name them off and read them again and again and again with me. Loved them. Our big books are super popular with 4-year-olds because they're into big things. This one is all about the big book of the body. My cat is walking through here. So these books open to 4 times the size of the cover. So that is pretty amazingly cool when you are little to see a book that big. They are made out of a little thicker paper, so they're more durable. There is Big Book of the Body, Big Book of Animals. You can see the muscles would open there. Big Book of Bugs. My son loved that one. And then lots of machine ones. Big Book of Big Machines, Big Book of Tractors, Big Book of Trucks, Trains. Lots of popular ones with 4-year-olds. We all know 4-year-olds have so many questions and we don't always have the answers. So we have a whole series of Lift the Flap books with fun questions and answers. So what do cows do at night might be your question, and you can open this up and just find out. Lots of great information. What does a kangaroo keep in its pouch? What makes a glowworm glow? So just some fun facts and information. This one is animals, and we have a whole bunch in the series. Some are more general topics, but that is a great one for 4-year-olds with all their questions. Farmyard Tales is so great to introduce kids to reading. So this particular book has a CD in it that has the complete collection of stories in here read. So you could play it in the car, which is nice. 20 stories in the collection, and they all follow these 2 characters, Sam and Poppy, on their adventures at Apple Tree Farm. There is a duck hidden on every single page, which makes it fun. And these are called dual readers. So I explained this in my bigger video, but just to give you a quick overview, this top line of text is simple text that could be read by a very early reader. So your 4-year-olds, as they start reading, will love this at 5 and 6, because then you can read the bottom part of the text, and it's kind of like a special little game you play together. But there are so many stories in here. It's a great way to start kids down the path to reading. Goldilocks and the Three Bears, and then we also have Little Red Riding Hood. They are masked fairy tale books. So inside the cover are these masks that actually pop out, and you can create Goldilocks and a bear. And then this sweet little illustrated version that's very cute of the classic story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. And then we also have Little Red Riding Hood as well. Our look inside books are flat books too, similar to that question and answer one earlier, but Look Inside explores all just one topic. So Our World, for instance, and it's all nonfiction. It's going to give you tons of great information about all these different ecosystems and just let you learn like nobody's business. And there's so many great flaps. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous book. Our Look Inside series also includes Our Body. That's a really popular one. Look Inside Sports, Look Inside the Airport. So many to choose from. And finally, I have to share with 4-year-olds our Wipe Clean books. As they are starting to work on their pen control, these are great. We have some actual pen control books, so it's tracing particular shapes and dashy lines. But this one is an activity one, which is fun and great for that age too, because it's got dot to dots. So as they're practicing their numbers and counting, they can trace from one number to the next. It has mazes, it has circle this, circle that, cross that out, trace this number, things like that. Lots of fun. And then we also have some more advanced ones that deal with letters and actually tracing uppercase or lowercase letters, writing your first words, and even some early math. So I hope that helps with some recommendations for 4-year-olds. If you have questions, please let me know.